Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a 7-step method for setting up a passive income stream from anywhere in the world. The best part, it requires no investment, no social media following, and no prior experience. Before we dive in, there's a catch. It's important to set the right expectations from the start. This method requires at least 15 minutes of daily focus and won't make you a millionaire overnight. Consistency and patience are key. But it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Think of it as a side hustle that can gradually grow. Everything I share today is completely free, takes less than 10 minutes to get started, and requires no prior experience. So let's get ready to explore this opportunity together. Step 1. Understanding VPNs. VPNs, or virtual private networks, allow users to change their IP address and location for privacy and security. They protect against hackers and online snooping. Step 2. Choosing affiliate programs. This is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey. Here are 3 free affiliate programs to consider. Each has its own unique benefits and potential drawbacks. Pure VPN, known for fast payouts, but it offers lower commissions compared to others. It offers a $300 sign-up bonus, though it's not guaranteed for everyone. This can be a great incentive. Surfshark. It has a similar commission structure to Pure VPN, making it another viable option. Strong VPN, this program offers the highest commission, up to 200%, making it very attractive for affiliates. Step 3. Finding trending topics. Use free tools like Google Gemini and ChatGPT to identify trending topics people are searching for. Step 4. Signing up for affiliate programs. Sign up for your chosen affiliate program or programs provide basic details and a website URL, which we'll explain later. Most offer payout methods like PayPal. Step 5. Creating promotional images. Use Canva to create a free promotional image for your chosen VPNs. I'll provide a free downloadable image in the description below. Step 6. Finding relevant YouTube videos. So what you want to do is search YouTube for the trending topics you identified. Once you've found a video that fits, grab the URL because you'll need it for the next step. Step 7. Generating blog content with ChatGPT. I'll provide a free prompt, which is linked in the description, that you can use with ChatGPT. This prompt will help you generate a high-quality blog post related to your chosen topic and keywords. Publishing your blog post. Use the free platform Medium to publish your generated blog post. Medium is a great platform because it has a large audience and is easy to use, even for beginners. Here's how paste the blog content into Medium. Make sure to format your text properly, using headings, bullet points, and paragraphs to make it more readable. Include the YouTube video URL you found earlier. Embedding the video can lead to better engagement. Videos can make your post more dynamic and keep readers on your page longer. Add the free promotional image you created with Canva. A good image can catch the reader's eye and make your post more appealing. Make sure to include a clear call to action above or below the image. This could be asking readers to subscribe, leave a comment, or share your post on social media. Also, paste your affiliate link from the chosen VPN program throughout the post for easy access. This can help you earn some extra income if readers click on the link and make a purchase. Finally, publish the post with your target keyword. This will help your post rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for people to find your content. Bonus tip: driving traffic with faceless YouTube channels. While Medium is a great option, consider driving traffic through your own faceless YouTube channels, which we explain in another video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, leave a like and subscribe for more content. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.